Yes, friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk subject verb agreement. We are going to talk about subject to verb agreement. Okay, so what is subject to verb agreement? Okay, किसी भी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट के नंबर तथा पर्सन के अनुसार किसी भी सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट के नंबर तथा पर्सन के अनुसार वर्ब का प्रयोग सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट कहलाता है. ओके, सपोज दैट ही कम्स, दे कम. ओके, ही कम्स, दे कम. ओके, यदि सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर हो, ओके, तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर ही आता है. यदि सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर हो तो वर्ब भी क्या है, सिंगुलर आता है. ओके, यदि सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल हो तो वर्ब भी क्या, प्लूरल होता है. ओके, सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर, इट इज प्लूरल. ओके, सिंगुलर प्लूरल, वर्ब सिंगुलर एंड इट इज प्लूरल. ओके, सो सिंगुलर वर्ब is, has. Okay, singular verb is, has. Okay, plural verb are, have. Right, singular verb is, has. Plural verb are, have. Okay, was, were. Okay, was, were. Okay, we first plus s or es. We first plus s or es. Okay, and here we first. Okay, such as plays, goes, here play and go. Plays, goes, play and go. Okay, plays, goes. Okay, play and go. Okay, right. Such as we write over here, he plays. Okay, she goes. Okay, we play. They go. Okay, so once again, if we talk about subject verb agreement, okay, he comes, he, it is singular. Okay, comes, singular verb. Okay, they, it is plural. Okay, come, plural verb. Okay, singular verb is, a plural verb are, has, have, was, were. Verb first form s or es, plays, plays. Okay, goes, goes. Okay, verb first form in plural, play and go. He plays, she goes, we play, they go. Okay, right. Next, यदि दो सब्जेक्ट को as well as, यदि दो सब्जेक्ट को as well as, along with, together with, okay, यदि दो सब्जेक्ट को as well as, along with, together with and not, okay, इनसे अगर जोड़ा जाए, okay, तो वर्ब पहले सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार या पहले सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग यूज किया जाता है. So there are many things as well as with, along with, together with, and not. Okay, we can use but. Okay, we can also use rather than. Rather than. Okay, let's take example. Ram as well as his brothers has come. Okay. Ram as well as his brothers has come. Okay. As well as. Okay. And we have used verb according to first subject. Okay, Ram as well as his brothers has come. Okay. The captain, along with sailors has drowned. Okay. The captain along with the sailors has drowned. Okay, or we can use over here was drowned. Okay, was drowned. The captain along with sailors, okay, was drowned. Along with the sailors was drowned. So we have used verb here according to first subject. Okay. Next. So as well as, along with, together with and not, but, rather than. Okay. The teacher and the principal. The teacher and the principal have come. The teacher and the principal have come. Okay. यदि आर्टिकल का यूज सिर्फ फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के पहले हो, ओके, तो इसका अर्थ होगा एक ही व्यक्ति अथवा वस्तु. वो क्या है, सिंगुलर वर्ब का यूज होगा. ओके, लेकिन आर्टिकल का यूज सभी सब्जेक्ट के पहले हो तो इसका अर्थ है अलग अलग व्यक्ति और अलग अलग वस्तु. तो प्लूरल वर्ब का यूज किया जाता है. Okay, suppose that we have two subjects, teacher and principal. Okay, I have used the and the over here, right? Okay, so verb will be plural. Okay, suppose that if I write here the teacher and principal, okay, so it will be has. Okay. The teacher and principal has come, right? One more. A black and a white, a black and white pen was purchased by her. Okay. A black and white pen was purchased by her. Okay. Here we have used one article over here. We have not used article over here. Okay. So so we have used only singular verb over here. Okay. If I write here a black and a white, okay, so I will use one over here. Okay, fine. Next, neither of his 4 sons five sons looked after him. Neither of his 5 sons looked after him. Okay. Neither of का अर्थ दो में से एक भी नहीं. Okay. दो में से एक भी नहीं. दो से अधिक में none of का यूज किया जाता है. Okay. So we have to find out the error. Okay. None of his 5 sons looked after him. None of his 5 sons looked after him. ये wrong हो गया आपका? ये आपका right. Next. Either of his 5 sons, either of his 5 sons is at fault. Yes, we have used either of. Either of का अर्थ दो में से एक. तो दो से अधिक के लिए हम one of का यूज करते हैं. ओके. One of his 5 sons is at fault. One of his 5 sons is at fault. Okay. ये wrong हो गया. ये correct. Both of them did not take exam. Both of them did not take exam. Okay. Both के साथ नोट का यूज नहीं होता है. Both के साथ में हम नोट का यूज नहीं करते हैं. Okay. तो neither of them. Neither of them, okay, took exam. Neither of them took exam. Okay. So once again, we go through it. Neither of his 5 sons looked after him. Okay. So here we have to use none. None of, right? Either of his 5 sons is at fault. We have to use one of. Okay. Both of them. Okay. Both के साथ हम not का use नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Neither of them took exam. Okay. Neither अपने आप में ही negative sense देता है. Okay. So we will not use not. Okay. Neither of them took exam. ओके, बहुत के साथ में नॉट का प्रयोग नहीं होता है क्योंकि दो में से एक भी नहीं के लिए नीदर ऑफ का यूज किया जाता है. So friends, today we discussed about subject verb agreement. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you guys.